What up, YouTube? Today we're gonna put the power windows in this 442, where I can put the panels on, wrap the top of these door panels, get the LED lights in here, modify this console. This is for another customer, but the console needs to fit for a car with a bench seat. So what I see is there's only 21 inches of clearance from the vent down there to the back of this console. That's what we need. We need 21 inches. So this is too long. So I'm going to have to cut it down right here and then come back like this and then come, because from there to here is longer than 21 inches, so it won't fit in the bench seat. And I'm going to take these Cutlass logos, one of these Cutlass logos, and put it in the front and wrap it in black. So that's the agenda for today. So I'm going to get started on this. Thanks to Amazon, you see we got the power window kit. You know, I gotta keep my drink right there. So let me see if I can open this up. Hold on a minute. Okay, we got the power window kit. I bought the two-door kit because I just bought two two-door kits. I hooked the left and right to the front and back, and the left and right for that side for the front and back. I do it that way. It's easier. Wires are simpler than the four-door kit, and it's actually a couple dollars cheaper when you order it. So, you see, power window kit, universal. You must have power windows when you're putting one of these old schools together, because all that cranking, fuck that. But let me open this up and see what they got going on in here. So this is the power window motor, as you can see, for the universal kit. This is the actual motor right here, and there's a cable that comes in here and it goes around here, and this is what actually turns the crank. And you find the actual piece that'll fit on your window crank out of all these, and it goes in the middle of there, and when you power it up, this turns and it turns the window crank. So let me find out which one goes on the door, because you have to fit in that hole right there, or yeah, fits in that hole. That's why I cut the hole out. So let me go find one. So actually, you take these right here and you must find which one will fit on here. It should slide right on there. So you actually got to find one. Let me see. Nope. Nope. I know that one don't fit. This one. Nope. 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 Well, nope. Well, shit. One of them gotta fit. Let me put this camera down so I can try to find out which one of these damn things fit. Hold on 1 second. Okay, so I found one that fits on there, kind of tight. And then you have this right here. This fits on top. So now you should better turn this, and it should turn the window crank, and it should power up. And then you take the power motor. Fuck. Hold on. It's hard to do this. Hold on. So this is how it's supposed to fit. Motor goes over there like that. Down right here, and this fits right here. So what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to cut a pocket out of that metal right there, so this will sink back in there, so the motor will be out the way. That's the only way you're gonna get this to work. So we gotta take a saw, angle grinder, whatever, cut a hole in there, a slot, so this will fit back in there, so you will have the room to put the door panel back on this car. So that's one of the ways to do this, and it's some bullshit, but you got to do it. So I'm gonna have to mark it and try to cut a hole. I'll get back at you. Okay, now that I got a spot, what I did was I cut a piece of metal out right there so the motor will fit flush down in there, so you can have enough clearance for the door panel to go over here. So what you do is this, and that can be no more than 11 inches together. You can't bend it too much or it won't work. So I know that's more than 11 inches, so we cool. So got a slight bend in it, and you have to make sure this clears the motor. I mean the window slide, which is right there. So when I put these brackets on here, which these right here, these screw into here, so you can adapt it to wherever you need to make a bracket. And it comes with these little rubber grommets right here, so just in case it vibrates. So you have to put the little rubber grommet in the hole. You put the little metal bushing in the middle, so the screw won't go through. And you find out where you need to put these at. Pop them in the middle there. Find out where you need a bracket. I mean a spot, mounting spot. Just put the little screws in there and you screw it together. So I'm going to show you how I did this. Hold on a second. Okay, now I got the motor mounted. I decided to use 3 brackets. I got it in there. See, once I put this screw in right here, this will hold it down, so that motor won't move. And that's how you mount it. I got the wire inside and coming out right here, and I got it to my test battery down here. So I'm gonna try to work it. So watch it. Watch how it turns the gear. And the window should roll up and roll down. See, actually, this battery is a little bit more power than a car battery, so it moves kind of fast. But you see, it works. That little motor is strong. I get the heavy duty ones too. So the little motor is strong. So all you have to do is, when I touch the battery, watch how strong this motor is. See, it rolls the window up. So there you have a quick video of how to put the window motors in. It's pretty easy, straightforward. The only thing left is put a screw right here, keep that from wobbling. Drill a hole inside the door right here, run the wire, power wire inside of there, and there, inside the firewall up to the console, because I'm putting the switches on the console, not that console, but the other console. And that's it. You don't have to worry about this coming off. This will stay on. There's a set screw you put in there to keep that from moving, and that's it. You can do this in an hour. If you got your shit together and you got your shit planned out, you can do it in about an hour. So there you go. Power windows. I holla. Okay, now I done put the set screw in. I don't know if you can see. Set screws in, keeps this from coming off. I screwed the bottom bracket in. The motor is in there tight. The power wire goes in, around there, back in. I got it. It's right here. It's tapped. I drilled the hole through there. Actually, I had to cut the ends off the wire. Cut the ends off the other wire. These bullet ends, I cut the ends off and added on to some thick gauge wire so I can run it through the door, because those weren't long enough. These are, the way they got it wired is so that you can put the switch on the door, but I don't want the switch on the door, so that wire wasn't long enough. So I cut the end, spliced it, and hooked it to a longer wire. What you can see, I ran through there. It runs through the door, comes in through the kick panel, comes down, around, and it goes to the switch. As you can see, the switch is powered up, running off the drill battery. It's powered up, and you can see the window. See it? And there you go, power windows. So everything is hooked up. The motors is pretty strong. There's nothing hidden. Everything is cleared. I put a little screw right here too, just to make sure this thing right here don't be flopping around everywhere. So everything's on there. The gears is good. I checked it a couple times. So all I gotta do is put the panel on and see if it works then. So I'm gonna put this panel on before I wrap it up and see if it works. Give me a second. Okay, now I have the mocked up door panel on. You see the gear is right there and it's level with the panel. Everything's on. Let's see. First time. Uh-oh, the switch came off. See the switch plugs in here? I gotta plug the switch back up, so give me a second. Okay, I got the switch plugged back up. I don't want to push it all the way down on there, because once you push these things on there, they're pretty hard to get off. So we're finna chest fire it. It works with the panel on. So now that one is done, mocked up. Now I can wrap this door panel up, check the clearances again, and everything should be good. So there you go.